Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share with you my way to oil painting. I had never started oil painting or drawing, and my purpose is to make you understand it is not so difficult as we think about. You don't need any special skills. All you need is inspiration. First of all, we need a canvas. For beginning, I suggest you to buy a small one. As reference, we take a copy of oil painting made by an artist. I want to make this process as easy as possible so anyone can repeat and increase confidence. In this way, we can save a lot of time and have a good result at the end. Many can judge and say this is not the best way to start oil painting, but we are not following any rules. The most important thing for us is to enjoy the process. I start with background, mixing white color and brown. There is no special technique, we just paint until we get the results we need. I use a synthetic brush number 10, and I absolutely suggest you to buy only basic colors. Mixing this color, you can make any picture you want. You can find it in the description below. When you are satisfied with results, let it dry. It can take few hours or sometimes it can take few days. It depends on how much color you use. This is very important because we can touch the paint with hand and it will go out. Once it is dry, I use a pencil to underline the shadow. For this purpose, we use Brunt Umber, cause in nature we don't have black color. For this painting, I used titanium white, brown sienna, Brunt Umber, and deep blue, and synthetic brushes number 1 and 0. I prefer to start with dark color, but it is not mandatory. I did less than 10 oil painting in all my life, and the last time was 4 years ago. After I use white color to fill all the remaining space. But you can develop your own technique, there's no rules. And remember to clean the brush often. The colors directly on my painting. Again, I don't follow any technique, that's only by intuition, adding some dark or white until I like the result. Every time in beginning I'm thinking it's gonna be a disaster, but if I keep calm and continue, at the end I'm just surprised with results. see the last oil painting I did 4 years ago. I think you can see the difference, even I didn't exercise for a long time. It is still not perfect, but I am happy with the result. Thank you for watching and hope you do a good job.